My name is Harley Steppenbacher. I'm a criminal justice instructor here at Medina County Career Center.
My name is Deputy Michael Stone, and I'm one of the instructors here. For me, the best part about teaching criminal justice is I get to train my backup. As I'm getting older and the students graduate and move on, it's kind of neat knowing that one of my former students may roll up and be my backup, or vice versa.
We offer a whole gamut of things for the American criminal justice system.
Anything they want to do in the criminal justice field, we get them ready for, from corrections to security, to dispatching, to patrol, to crime scene investigation, forensics.
Constitutional law, criminal law, and from there we go to police work. So we do traffic stops, self-defense.
We also teach them stuff that isn't necessarily on a curriculum, such as being a professional inside a uniform and out, how to kind of conduct themselves with integrity.
My program offers different competitions and a lot of certifications like the baton, first aid, CPR, pepper spray.
NIMS, National Incident Management System, multiple certifications.
Fun fact about those, we get credits towards Ashland University. I believe it's around 45 credits we get.
Skills USA is a competition for our students to go and showcase their skills. We compete in two separate things, crime scene investigation and criminal justice.
I would say one of my biggest success stories from the Career Center would be when me and Marissa, senior in class, we went down to skills and we competed. I placed first and she placed second, so I think just us both winning and being able to move on to states was really fun, and it was a proud moment for both of us.
Here in CJ, our instructors are quite the instructors. They do a really good job making it fun, interactive. We're on this mat maybe once, twice a week, doing takedowns, handcuffing.
The training equipment that we have, just the improvements in our area, it really makes us kind of cutting edge for the high school criminal justice program. The shooting simulator allows us to take students into a situation without having to worry about the risks of ammunition or anything like that, but it kind of puts them into a different mindset when they see things looking a little bit more realistic to them.
I'm still involved with stuff in my homeschool. I'm a thrower for the Medina High School track and field team.
It's easy to participate in sports for my homeschool because I can get out earlier, so I make it to my school in time.
I enjoy teaching the kids. The kids are great. They come from all different schools around the county. They're willing to learn, they're here. It's kind of my favorite thing. I've coached for a long time, and it's the same type of atmosphere as doing the coaching.
Different career pathways that our students take is military, college, corrections, dispatching, security. We have multiple students who have done amazing things and gone on to be very successful, working at local sheriff's office, police departments, and we have some graduating the academy on Monday who's looking to go federal.
The most important skills they get here are not even criminal justice skills. They learn a little bit of self-discipline, the ability to speak in public, self-confidence, and from there they build on their softer skills and even more their law enforcement skills.
My future plans, I'm going to go to Ashland University and I'm going to dispatch throughout college, and then when I graduate college, I will hopefully go to academy.
My plans for after graduation, I want to enlist in the National Guard, and then I also want to do an internship with the Ohio State Highway Patrol.
So I plan on going to Ashland University for their criminal justice program, hopefully on a throwing scholarship. I plan on going to the Ohio State Patrol Academy and getting out on the road as soon as possible.
If I had a friend who was considering coming to the Career Center for Criminal Justice, I would tell them it's definitely worth your time. Even if they don't go into law enforcement, you learn so many good skills that'll carry you throughout the rest of your life.
If you want to do anything in the criminal justice field, we're going to get you ready for it. If you want a challenge, we're here for you. You will get out of it what you put into it. We are an adult program crammed into a high school setting. Be ready.